Want to grow a YouTube channel without spending hours editing every day? In 2025, automation is your best friend. Automation saves time, boosts consistency, and helps you grow faster. With AI tools, even beginners can create faceless videos that engage audiences. Step 1. Plan your content. Use tools like ChatGPT or AI brainstorming platforms to generate video ideas, scripts, and titles in minutes. Step 2. Create scripts and voiceovers. AI voices can read your script naturally, saving hours of recording time. Step 3. Assemble your video. Tools like InVideo or Pictory can take your script, add B-roll, captions, and even music automatically. Step 4. Schedule your uploads. YouTube Studio allows you to queue videos in advance so your channel stays consistent even when you're offline. Step 5. Track performance. Check analytics to see what works, then tweak future videos for more views and watch time. Combine automation with consistency, and you can grow a profitable YouTube channel faster than ever. Want more beginner-friendly tips? Subscribe now and turn notifications on.